I've tried more project management tools than I can count, but ClickUp kept popping up in conversations, ads, and recommendations. So I finally dove in to see if it's really the all-in-one productivity hub it claims to be, or just another overloaded app trying to do too much. Let's break down what actually shines, what slows you down, and whether it's worth the investment. What really pulls you in with ClickUp is its raw versatility. From simple tasks to Gantt charts, docs, forms, goals, and mind maps, it offers almost every feature you can imagine. At the heart of ClickUp are lists, where tasks live, and on top of that, periods, boards, Gantt, calendar views, etc. let you reshape your workflow instantly. Custom fields make each task informational gold. Need to write a project plan? Their docs folds right into the task layer and supports nested nesting, comments, and multi-user editing. Fridays become flexible realities with automations, point-and-click rules to move tasks, assign people, send messages, or update statuses instantly. I even pulled up automations triggered by comments responding to Slack, making cross-platform updates flow smoothly. The recent AI rollout, automated summaries, rewriting task descriptions, and generating project plans makes a busy day feel easier to manage. ClickUp's free plan is shockingly capable. Unlimited users, 100 megabyte storage, access to views like board, Gantt, and unlimited tasks. It's a generous starting point for small teams. The unlimited plan, a modest $7 user month, unlocks unlimited storage, dashboards, integrations, goals, and where automations become truly powerful, up to 100 actions per month. The business tier adds workload charts, external sharing, time tracking, and custom permissions, all under $12 per user. For enterprise use, the Business Plus tier delivers team roles, audit logs, and SAML access, still price competitive for the capabilities offered. But watch out, costs grow fast with growing teams and automations. Hundreds of automations, dashboard widgets, or on-demand views can suddenly push you into higher tiers, and that can sting when you're parsing profitability. Teams consistently praise ClickUp for replacing entire services. I replaced Trello, Notion, Asana, and Zapier with ClickUp's all-in-one setup. The visual flexibility lets my workflow evolve without switching tools, tasks to Gantt, to board, to mind map in a few clicks. It's powerful for scaling systems, onboarding new team members, and staying adaptable. When routine tasks adapt, automations keep up. The mobile app feels complete, not a hobbled phone version, and in-app support and change logs keep us plugged in. Yet with power comes complexity. I often found myself overwhelmed by options, so many ways to structure lists, folders, spaces, and views that I spent time organizing more than doing work. Automations can break silently when deleted variables shift. The interface feels slow if your board is large or your stack has lots of dashboards and tasks, especially at enterprise scale. New users often report feeling lost unless someone coaches a workspace structure. Finally, sporadic performance dips happen. On larger files or dashboards, the interface can lag. ClickUp 2025 is a powerhouse, one tool to replace many, packed with custom views, automation, and collaboration features. If you're managing multiple projects, evolving workflows, or leading a growing team, it's probably the most versatile tool out there right now. However, if you're looking for simplicity, minimal setup, or lo-fi focus, ClickUp might feel overwhelming. You pay with time and complexity, even if you'll save on app subscriptions. Here's what I've learned. ClickUp delivers incredible flexibility and depth, but harnessing it requires structure, patience, and occasional finger-pointing at overcomplexity. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What tool are you trying to replace next? I'll help you map your way there. Catch you in the next video.